My name is Ryan Cochet. I'm a junior mechanical engineering student at Michigan State University. What I'm wearing on my face right here is a fully 3D printed face mask, and in my hands I have a fully 3D printed face shields that I myself 3D printed. I spent about 15 weeks printing about 1,200 of these to donate to local healthcare facilities during the PPE shortage. I knew that there wasn't anything I could do directly to help the COVID-19 patients. But with 3D printing masks and face shields, there was something I could do to directly help frontline workers. And directly helping frontline workers could be the best way to help my community and help everyone get through this pandemic as quickly as possible. The way MSU prepares its students, we're being educated to go out and better the world. That's the drive that I had for the betterment of my community.